everybody, and today's episode, 193rd episode on lovely Kutch work. Kutch work on variety of fabrics like pure silks and pure tussar I will be showing you today, along with some lovely Kora Kutch works also. So watch till the end because you will really love the handwork Kutch work sarees which I will be showing you today. Myself Lalia Dattagupta from Sanskriti, Kolkata. First product, pure Bangalore silk with mirror work, Kutch work, Gujarati stitch many of us call. This is 8350, peacock blue, see the mirror work done in milk white, and the basic color of the saree is peacock blue. This is the mirror work, very neat embroidery done in hand work, totally hand work saree. Very bright. The body part will have bootas. Now coming to the pleat part, the pleats will have the long lines of mirror work. This is the pleat part. So the pleats, there will be vertical lines of work, and then again the boota comes. So when you drape it, the pleat comes with the line work and the body part in boota work. So till the end the boota, and here comes the blouse piece, back and two sleeves. This is the back and this is the two sleeves of the blouse piece. Product number 1. Coming to product number 2. This is 9200 because it has a lot of mirror work and the work is very intricate also. See the neatness of the border. Actually we use mica, not mirrors. This is a little higher range than the previous one I showed you. And the color is rich maroon, and the fabric is also heavy quality, pure Katan silk. This is the blouse piece. I'm sorry, this is Bishnupuri silk. This is pure Bishnupuri silk, not Katan silk. This is Bishnupuri silk, pure heavy quality, dual tone Bishnupuri silk. The first one was Bangalore silk. Milk white thread work, very smart look, smart design because it has small booties all over along with very prominent gorgeous border, and of course the pallu is exquisitely neat finish, and this blouse piece I've already shown you. This is the blouse piece. This is 9200. Now in this range I will be showing you few more color options. Product number 3. See the work. Black, Bishnupuri heavy quality pure silk, jet black with loads of embroidery, all over embroidery with a very sleek border, and since it's all over work, the border I've kept it slightly narrower than the plain body ones, and here comes the blouse piece with the border. So it's jet black, all over thread work. Product number 3 with mirrors in biscuit color and white color. Two color threads have been used for this. And see the work, the filling work in the pallu part. 9200 for product number 3. Magenta, (9200) again, similar like the maroon color, but the border is sleeker. The pallu is very, very heavy work. All over, very cute, extremely well finished. I like to show you the work from close. This is the back side. See the neatness of the work, number one. Number two is the front part. Every four, what we say in Bengali, every needlework that has been done, every small the motifs, so well, the neat, and it's just as if it's print, it's not even showing its thread work, so well neat this work is sitting on the fabric. And it has a very broad temple, huge temple. Now see the work. This is the pleats. This work, the rich heavy temple mirror work, will come in the pleat part, and then coming to the body, and this is the blouse piece. This is also heavy quality Bishnupuri Sonamukhi silk, dual tone, fully woven with Kutch work. Tussar, tussar with mirror work, zari border, orangish color, rustish orange, very nice color with jute pallu, zari and jute pallu, 8500. All handwork, all these buttas in deep and light grey color. These are all handwork. And the best part of this sari is the blouse piece. It's fully jacket style blouse piece. The sleeves, both sleeves, the front and the back is full of work. So here comes a very stunning, gorgeous, heavy blouse with this. 8500 pure tussar zari border, all over butta, and rich gorgeous mirror work blouse for this. I have only two colors in this at present. So because these are hand work, they don't come in bulks, and I have many designs to show you. So this I have got just at the moment two pieces, a turquoise blue or a peacock blue, you can say a deep peacock blue. Again, why I am saying jute, this is the zari part and this is the khicha jute khicha pallu. This is the another zari line, zari border, 8500. The previous orange that I showed, I had worn a similar one in previous episode also. It's a very pretty colored sari, and this is the blouse piece for this particular piece. Again, full jacket style blouse piece, front, back, sleeves, all with mirror work. So you will be getting a very gorgeous rich blouse after you stitch this, and you can wear it with your solid color saris also. Like you can wear this blouse with a red dhaka, you also look so pretty. Now coming to pure tussar. Pure tussar mirror work, Agomoni collection, virgin color, tussar color with red mirror work Kutch embroidery. 9500 for this product number 7, 9500 with rich stunning combination, very bong combination but loved by all. And here is the blouse piece. The blouse will have, see, against this red blouse looking so pretty. This will be the sleeves, this will be the back, and this will be the second sleeve. So the blouse piece, sleeves and the back is full of work. Now some beautiful more colors in this option in tussar. Very soft tussar. Broad border, throughout the broad border will be there. 9950 with mirror work. It's a color of very light butter color with a baby pink color, very soothing color combination, very eye soothing, a very day wear sari. But because of the mirror work, of course you can carry this in summer evenings also. It's a very pretty color combination and it will have a gorgeous rich blouse piece with this. Here is the blouse piece work. So since it's a sober color, light color, so see the embroidery. Very pretty color combination. The blouse piece is very gorgeous. Now this is another very unique color, 9950 with rich pallu. The color is peachish color with blue work, turquoise blue embroidery. And this will have this blouse piece with work also. Whichever you are liking, with options, please send to the WhatsApp number provided. Any one of the number you please send the WhatsApp message once it is available. If it is available, if it's not, it's first come first serve basis. So if it's available, you will get the business account bank details. Once you make the payment, kindly send the screenshot of the payment and WhatsApp and give me your name, address, pin code, telephone number where it needs to be shipped. Shipping charges are applicable for all shipments. Cash on delivery possible only in Kolkata. It's a very cute color combination, very cute. A bottle green, number 10. See the work, the back side. $9950 tussar, mirror work, hand embroidery, kach work. And the blouse piece, I will show you the blouse piece also. Here comes the blouse piece for this. Such rich back, full embroidered with both the sleeves work it will have, and this is the sari. Mustard and bottle green color. The mannequin sari, a peacock blue color in pure Bangalore silk, milk white, rich embroidery without mirrors. See the work with all over butta, one side border. The lower part will have border along with this circular work. This work will be in the lower border. So see, it has a broad lower border with all over butta and the pallu, and here is the sari. It has a blouse piece matching with this also. But we have made her wear with our ready-made blouses in chicken. This is also available in different sizes. So it's around 22, I don't remember the price. Then if you are interested, please you take the screenshot. I'll tell you the sizes and price that is available. It's lining with silk chicken curry blouse, and this particular sari price is this is rupees 8350, 8,350 rupees without mirror work, with rich lovely hand work, hand embroidery. Now coming to again tussar, powder blue color, beautiful shade of very light sky, greyish sky blue, beautiful uncommon combination with shades of pink and white. Very rich work. Here is the work closely for you. All these saris will have, see, the back part will have a nice neat caught piping finish. 9,950 rupees. Especially these colors, these are pastel shades, sober color combinations. I have shown you brighter shades also. Now these are the pastel charts that we do in Kutch work. These equally look very pretty, all over butta with border work, and here comes the very gorgeous blouse piece, and the blouse piece also comes here with the full work in the back and the sleeves also. So this is the sari, beautiful pastel shade work, and this is the pallu part, very sober color combination with mirrors and with a very rich gorgeous blouse piece. Here is the blouse piece once again for you. There were some songs and sound that was going on in the some roadside event. So listen to the my voice carefully. Maybe you will be getting some sounds here and there. Just ignore, because some promotional activities is going on close by. So anyway, this is a lemon color with again blue embroidery work with mirrors, very sleek smart border, rich pallu all over butta, 9950, lemon blue combination of Kutch work. Very soothing. In all these come in pure tussar and all hand work, and this is the blouse piece for this, back butta and border. Lot of time take to create these kind of hand work saris, all hand embroidery. And now see this color, it's a product number 13. Beautiful color in magenta and slate color combination, grey magenta. $9950. All over butta. Very rich work. This is the blouse piece, back butta, border. $9950 for this. Another very sober color, again in tussar, but the previous one was a deeper shade of magenta. This is a baby pink color with again grey work with mirrors all over butta, rich pallu. Very sober. 9,950. See the work. Very smart design. Personally, in Kutch work, I don't like so much of mirror all over, clusters all over the body. I prefer heavy blouse in mirror work, and see this blouse piece. because with so much of mirror, not the jewelry stands out, and I personally find it very clumsy. So I like these more elegant ones with sleek borders, rich blouse, rich pallu, where the basic tussar fabric, they should breathe. The sari itself, the fabric should breathe. 9950, not filled with work. And as I said, this is the blouse piece. Very sober color combination. It's a nice soft peach color. This is tussar silk. $9,950. Very sober, very soothing, and absolutely a graceful sari. See the rich blouse. Stunning color combination, and just imagine when you wear it with a gorgeous rich blouse piece, it looks so elegant. And if you have any grey pearls, then kya baat. See the blouse piece. Absolutely new concept. First time I'm showing you. In this, it's a pure silk Kora Kutch work. Very big rich pallu. Border, and the color is mint green. 8500 only, with so much of work in pure silk organza with mirror work, and it will have a nice chinon silk blouse piece also. 8500. See the color, very rich color. See, this way you can understand the actual color. And also I'll show you the blouse piece. It's a shade lighter than the sari color. This is the blouse piece. Both side border it will have. This is the blouse piece. It's a chinon. Very pretty sari. Now organzas, I'll show you a few more. This is bandhej organza, tie and dye with mirror work, Kutch work. See, such a gorgeous, stunning sari. The body part will be in bandhej. This is the dyed part, grey and pink color, lavender pink. Border, pallu, very rich embroidery, hand work. And see the color tone. $8500. This is the upper Rani pinkish color and the lower part is bandhej grey. Here is the chinon blouse piece. This has full rich embroidery. Back, the sleeves, the blouse piece, very rich blouse. And this is the Just imagine when you'll wear it with that rich, gorgeous blouse, how pretty it will look. Same price, 8500. 8,500 for this. Number 18. Again, bandhej, mint color, sea green color with kutch work. So pretty. Very sober color combination. Pastels. These are printed bandhej. Okay, this is not printed. This is printing bandhej, not hand tie and dye. This is printed bandhej with mirror work. And again, this will have a very pretty, lovely, rich chinon blouse piece for this. $8,500, and all these are in pure organzas. Pure organzas. 8,500 for this beautiful sari. Very rich and gorgeous looking. Now I will show you some suit pieces. Unstitched suit pieces in Kora, full kutch work. Just imagine so much of embroidery. This is the bottom. This is the kurta. Product number 195990. This is the kurta front part, full work. Oh God, yeah, this is the right side. Finally I found this is the kurta. Full embroidery kutch work in the front. This will be your sleeves, and this will have a tussar dupatta with kutch work. So this is the dupatta. The prices are all mentioned. We have the tailoring unit. If you want these to be stitched, it can be done. It's a 3-piece set with the bottom. Now coming to the next one, tussar. Again, this has the full front kutch work. This is the bottom. This is the dupatta. The dupatta is fully embroidered buta in tussar. The body is also in pure tussar with kutch work. See the color combination, extremely soothing. This is the sleeve work. Baby pink color with embroidery, and once again, this is the dupatta. This is coming with a chiffon dupatta. Chiffon dupatta with work, and again the tussar kurta. This is the back side sleeves, and this is the front side work. Very gorgeous embroidery. The backs are basically plain. The back part we've not given work, only the sleeves and the front part will have embroidery, and the dupatta. And the bottom, we have given this fabric for the bottom part. So it's a sky blue color bottom and dupatta with rich deep blue and red color combination of tussar kurta. Front and the sleeves will be full of work. Now coming to this color combination. This is again the tussar kutch work dupatta. This is in light mustard color, light yellowish shade, and this is the kurta. This is the bottom matching with the dupatta. And here is the kurta for you. So we see the length of the kurta, full length kurta. If you want to shorten the length, you can take that fabric from the embroidery and put it on your back or something. But this is a full work embroidered kurta. This is the back side, plain tussar. The dupatta is also in tussar with kach work, and the bottom is also in plain. See this color combination. Dupatta in natural tussar color. And this is the kurta. This is the same tussar color bottom. And the kurta. Very sober, soothing, all over thread work, and also the sleeves will have the work. Now another very nice pista color. This is again same color dupatta. The bottom is also similar color. And this is the kurta. So all these are very exclusive kach work kurtas, where if you want to go to any formal occasion where you don't have much time to, or if you want to go to any corporate meets, these really look very, very elegant. All handwork, and that also in pure tussar. The prices are all mentioned. Just take the screenshot of the product and WhatsApp to any one of the number. Once the I confirm you the availability of the product, we will ship after the payment, we will courier it to you. Now again coming back to saris, tussar, bandhej, hand bandhej tie and dye with kach work border pallu, 9,500, product number 25, 9,500 for this gorgeous rich magenta yellow color combination. Very pretty sari, and see again rich blouse piece. Beautiful color. I have two bandhej kach work. So if you have watched the episode from the beginning, you have seen I've shown you Bangalore silk kach work, I've shown you Bishnupuri silk kach work, I've shown you zari border tussar kach work with heavy blouse, I have shown you solid all over tussar kach work with heavy blouse with border pallu, I've shown you suit pieces, I've shown you korat embroidery in kach work, now bandhej kach work. So there's a lot of variety that I've shown you in this kach work episode, since they take such a long time to create. So these kach work episodes are done with a bit long gap, but whatever I'll show you are original and in pure fabrics. This is the blouse piece, mustard and blue color combination. It's not mustard, I would say a yellow color with hand bandhej. Again, totally a different concept. First time I'm showing. If you like, please do share that video. Please take a minute to subscribe to the channel. It's not chargeable. There's the bell icon where you can just press all notifications to get regular notification of the episodes that will be coming. You can check out our WhatsApp status when new products are uploaded. The preview of the next episode is already given, is also given. So check out our WhatsApp status and Sanskriti Kolkata Facebook page. The link is provided. You can like the page to get new products, the still pictures of these products. All will be uploaded in the Kutch work album, photo album. Now coming to this particular sari, it's a blending, it's a fusion of cross stitch and Kutch work. The body is in jal cross stitch machine work with the border in hand mirror work Kutch work. So keeping the price in mind, we couldn't do hand cross stitch all over. It will be huge price, hugely very expensive. So it's 11,900 for this hand Kutch work border, hand Kutch work pallu in a beautiful shade of grey with all over very neat cross stitch work. And here comes the blouse piece. Just see the blouse piece with this. It's a stunning, gorgeous, rich blouse. Very unique concept. Cross stitch with Kutch work in pure tussar. I'll show you two colors in this. Number 28, that was grey. Now here comes the olive. It's a real beauty. $11,900. Closely see the work, the body work, the border work, the pallu. Now I will be showing you again this very fancy blouse piece, handmade with love. Now coming to Kutch work, the body all over mirrors are Ari mirror works and the border is done in machine work. Broad Kutch work border with mirrors, very tiny mirror work, very gorgeous color combination in red. 11,900 pure tussar. Broad, multicolored, rich work with very tiny mirror work to give it a very pretty look. Not the big mirrors, very tiny mirror work all over body and along with the border. And yes, it will have, I've highlighted on the blouses this time, given all rich blouses. This will be the blouse piece in contrast, black. Both the sleeves will have very broad work. So preferably make the sleeves as much as the work will come. So it will be around 7 inches, I think. And of course, if you want to make full sleeve also with this border, broad border, it will also look very gorgeous. Full black sleeve and then use the border. Quickly, I'll show you the colors of this. Number 30 is in again olive. So this is another color combination. And I'll show you the contrast blouse for this. Yeah. See the lemon blouse piece for this, yellow color blouse. Nice, going so well with this olive. So this is how it will look actually. This is the blouse piece. This is the sari. Should have held the black and red similar way so that you can understand better. So this is the combination actually. Magenta, number 31. firstly see the work of the border. All these, see the back side, all these very neat finish with full piping finishing. We always give stress on the finish, which is very important to me. I hate unfinished, the work should be very neat. Even, I'm basically a perfectionist. I try to be at least. 11,900. And yes, this one will have again a bright Firoza blouse piece. Very rich blouse. Looking nice. Please do like, share and comment if you like our products. Please do comment. Please share so that it reaches to more people. 11,900. So this is deep Firoza with magenta. The last color combination is in black. Always gorgeous. Black just stands out in Kutch work, but all the colors that I showed you, those who want to avoid black can go for the other shades also. Totally new design. Previously I had shown this concept, this kind of concept with contrast blouse, but that embroidery was different than this. This is totally new work that I have done because the previous concept I got very good response. Now this is the black red color combination. Same price, okay? So in case you want to see the work closely. Number 32, 11,900. And about my sari, Bangalore silk with very neat work in red and white. Pallu. The Durga neck piece that I am wearing is 1650. It's a very smart pearl setting neck piece, and just see how well this is. It's giving a 3D look. It's a very smart looking neck piece, very uncommon, very uncommon. Durga ji. And the ring that I opened because it was, see, this is the ring, matching ring, 1900, right? 1900 is for the ring. These are all adjustable statement rings with pearl setting, going very well with the neck piece also. So 1900 is for the ring with pearl setting and 1650 is for the neck piece. Now the duplicate sari that I have, it's very similar to what I am wearing. Both the sari is priced 8,200, my sari and this sari. So this doesn't have a number, but only can you see the difference in the color combination. So mine, the work is totally same, only the color combination is slightly different. Mine is with a red dominant, red more. This has a little bit of more of white also. So take the screenshot. Both the colors are same. It's a beautiful prominent embroidered sari in pure Bangalore silk. 8,200 for this particular piece. 8200. Just mention if it's the one that I'm wearing or if it's the one that was shown. This comes with white and red buta. and both the sarees come with blouse piece which has this border. So once again, the saree price 8200. If you like this, take the screenshot of this, and if you like this, take the screenshot of this. So that's it for today, folks. Thank you so much. Namaskar. Bhalo thakben.